Video 845, BFJ 145, that's Bombs for Josh 145, 845 the entire series. Top level unit test functions. We have a new lookup table function. Function, lookup table, unit test main, dat base. That stands for database address, also known as data origin. This is not a database like SQL. Okay, we have an about this function section. You can pause here to read that. I gotta scroll down here. Okay, so BTF here stands for bombs to FATA. The offset from the bomb cluster to the FATA cluster is 2048 times 64 minus 64. We have a diagram to express why that is, but each row in pix 2048 is going to be, well, 2048 pixels. Each cluster of data is 64 by 64, and then we need to back up by 64 to go from the MIPMAP origin to the FATA cluster origin. Room index, the base address of the bomb data, base address of the FATA data, and the base address of the FATA data derived using BTF. We're going to loop through every single room index, 0 to 12 inclusive, and we're going to use our lookup tables to convert the room index to the data pixel index for the given clusters of bomb memory or FATA tile memory. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to use the base address of the bomb memory and add the BTF offset to get base FAD derived. And if base FAD derived is not equal to base FAD, then we have a fucking problem. Also, base FAD should not be equal to base bomb, otherwise we also have an error because these should be two different sectors of memory. Okay, so where is that called from? Well, it's called from in function lookup tables unit test main, and we've put it directly beneath this other function call here, which I forget what this is, but this is the function we're working on. This is the one we care about. Okay, in unit tests on any environment, that is on the not node environment and the yes node environment, so client side and Node.js side, we've added a little tag to help us find lookup tables unit test main. And then down here in init client front end, this is where that lookup table unit test main function is being called from. And then what we did previously and our footnotes and whatnot. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You're on the fast playlist. Tech demos are here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name's Kanji Coder. Making a game engine. Like and subscribe.